So the cone gave me the opportunity to practice sort of a flat-sided surface, and it looks like I've done that pretty successfully. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a sphere. So a sphere would be like a ball that I could actually hold in my hand. So here I've just started with a circle, so it looks pretty flat. Also looks like it's floating in the air. What I did is I placed it higher on the page versus the cone. The cone is lower, that makes it seem closer to us. The sphere is higher, that's going to make it seem like it's further away. But without the shadow on the table, it looks like it's just floating there. So I'm going to load my brush with some black paint. So green is my what color? You should have said middle tone because it's the color I'm starting with. What I'm going to do now is create shades of that middle tone. So I'm going to go along the edge here. And you'll notice because the sphere is curved, I'm actually curving my brush stroke to do that. So the shadow is going to come a little bit to the other side where the light can't get under the sphere, but it can touch this side of it. So this is where I'm going to stop. So it looks like I just painted a line halfway around. So to get rid of the line, what I'm going to do is clean out my brush, and I'm going to use a clean brush, and I'm going to blend this by fading it back into the green middle tone. So it should return to the original color. If you're doing this and you notice, well, it's really just covering everything with black paint, that just means you've got either too much paint or too much water. So clean your brush out and then keep going. So you can see I'm going to cover the light for a second so you can kind of, well, let me just turn it off so the glare goes away. So you can see how I've faded that into it. I've blended it in successfully. So what you will do next is a contact shadow and a cast shadow, and then you'll practice putting on the tints. I want you to do that on your own since you've already practiced on the cone. This should be pretty easy for you to figure out. So in the next clip, you'll see I've already did it.